So here we are, y'all, in the 2010 Jeep Patriot. We got the scanner tool hooked up. If you're interested in this, check out my short. We're throwing some codes. We linked this up with my other phone. It's making a report. It's retrieving the OBD data. And we're going to see if we can clear the codes. Also, we're charging the battery up right now. So let's go take a look at that. It says scanner tool has no data. Well, that's not correct because we just had data on my other phone. Let's see. That's weird. Report history. Here we go. There it is. So it saves it all. So it says we got 4 codes found, which that's what it shows here on the device. So let's see. Show details. It's got recalls. Just all types of stuff. So let me view these results. So here we are, y'all. We got P2088. We got that code twice. Camshaft position, actuator, control circuits low, bank 1. And we got crankshaft position, actuator, control circuit low, bank 2. So I'm wondering if this is why it's not starting. I'm gonna have to do some research on this online, see what I can find. So if you guys know anything about those codes and know how we can repair this, appreciate that. So let's go ahead and see if we can do a clear, try to clear this. So let's see here. See if we can just clear these codes. Erase. Done. TCT. Still shows the codes up there. So retrieving. I don't think it's clearing. So erase and done. So codes are still popping up. Turn the ignition off. Let me turn the ignition back on. See if them codes come back. It's starting to blink. Still coming back. So we're definitely facing some codes here, y'all. So let me know what you guys think. Oh, we got somebody two-stepping in the back. So the codes are not being erased. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess with that. So here it's got a 9% probability, inspect clean battery terminals, perform battery test, $327. Where the heck do they come up with this stuff, y'all? Jesus. Shop now. So I'm trying to get back to this. So it also has a 7% replace ABS speed wheel sensor, $282. And then probability 24%, crankshaft position sensor, $204. I might try that, and I'd like to see where the heck they got that. And also says replace oxygen sensors, $315. I don't see why that still wouldn't allow a start. Maybe the crankshaft position sensor won't allow it to start. So we'll probably go ahead and that'll probably be the first task we take on, is getting this crankshaft ordered and replace that. So still gonna do a little research, y'all, but just want to also share this with you. So my symptoms are when I try to turn it, it tries to start and it just does not start. So I'm gonna also look for fuel pressure and things like that, but I'm gonna dive into these codes and let y'all know what I find out. So I appreciate y'all staying tuned with me, and let's get this thing figured out, get this thing fired up. So we'll see y'all in a bit. Y'all take care. God bless.